Welcome students to our spelling netcast. This week for sort 14 our focus will be the short O and the long O. Alright, let's make sure that we are prepared. Students, make sure you have your pencil to write with. Your glue stick needs to be there so you can glue in your header. Scissors to cut out your word chips with. And your journal to write your sorts in under their proper exemplars. And last but not least, we have our wonderful words. Alright, let's go ahead and take a second. And there's our words for this week. Look how beautiful they are. Let's go ahead and start cutting them out. So here we go. See you in a second. Alright students, welcome back. Let's go ahead and start by taking our heading and let's run a couple beads of glue across the top or across it, and we'll place it at the top. Again, this helps us to stay organized so we know what we're doing. Our sorts should go in order. Those of you that are doing 14 this week, last week you did 13. Now you didn't do it in your journal like this officially, but anyway, from now on you'll be doing them in order. So, alright, let's go ahead and begin. Again, this is sort 14. It's dealing with the short O sound and the long O sound with the consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E, and consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. So let's go ahead and start by placing our exemplars at the top. Go ahead and place your first one, which is the short O sound, consonant, vowel, consonant. Let's go ahead and write that. So we have our short O sound, and then we have consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, put that off to the side. Let's go to our next one. Let's go ahead and move it over kind of towards the middle. And this one's going to be the long O sound. And it's going to have the consonant, vowel, consonant with a little E. And hopefully we're getting to know or becoming familiar with that because that means the silent E, right? So, and then let's go ahead and grab this one, our last one, and move it over to the right-hand side of our journal. Again, this is a long O sound. And this one's consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Alright, now that we have those in mind, let's go ahead and start with some of our words. Let's go ahead and let's pull a box up here and let's see where it falls. Everybody say, sound out box with me. Box, box. Well, I think we can safely say that it's not making the long sound, so that takes these two out of the picture. That ah in box is going to put it under the short O sound. So let's go ahead and write box, and let's see if it fits under the consonant, vowel, consonant part of it as well. Again, ah, ah, and then we have consonant, vowel, consonant. And again, I could have scooted over a little bit so it fit underneath that a little better. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into, let's go and do this one next. Alright, say the word with me. Road. Row. Oh, wow, that's long, isn't it? So now we have to decide whether it's going to fit under this one or this one. Now as we look at the word road, we don't see two vowels side by side. There's two vowels, but we have a consonant that separates them. So, since the vowels are not together, let's go ahead and see if it fits here. So let's go ahead and write road. R-O-D-E. We know that the O is long. Ro, O. We have a consonant, we have a vowel, we have a consonant, and we have the silent E. Interesting. Okay. You know what, this is kind of bugging me. I think I'm going to go ahead and erase this real quick and make it look a little nicer. I'm going to put the B under the consonant, the O, which is short, under the vowel, and the X under the consonant. Alright, so I'm scoot that off to the side, and now my last one is road again. This road is like if you rode a horse, past tense. You rode the horse, you had a good time, and now you're walking back to the corral. You're taking the horse back to its stable. Something like that. Now this type of road is something like you ride your bike on, right? So, two words that sound the same, but have different meanings. Alright? Two words that sound the same, but have different meanings. So, we'd call those homophones. Homophones. I'm going to write this down. R-O-A-D. We have our consonant, we have our vowel, another vowel, and a consonant. And when we say road, the O and the A together make the long O sound. And these two words right here, again, are called homophones. Okay. Words that sound the same are spelled differently and have different meanings. Okay, those are called homophones. All right, let's go ahead and pull in a couple more and do those, and then Mr. Powell will let you guys go off on your own and work the rest of them. What about this one here? This one is knock. Say the word knock. It's not long, so it looks like we are going to place it under the short O sound, knock. Now, let's take a look at this right here. When we have the KN together, it takes on the N sound. The K is what? You're right. It's silent. Very good. And sometimes we'll have those situations, and we just kind of have to know how it works, right? So when we see K and N together, the K is silent. Very good. Once again, so it would take on the short O sound. All right, let's take a look at one more. All right. What about love? Love. I know we love to do spelling sorts, don't we? Yeah, we do. But where does this fit? Love. It sounds more like short, but it's not. It's not It's not love or love. It's love. Remember last week, students, we had that oddball category. So I guess what we could do is off to the side here, and again, kind of do it like Mr. Powell. So when I look at your books, I'll know where to find the oddball words. I'll know if you were actually doing the sort if you write the words in this position. Okay? Now, I'll give you a hint. This is only one, so go ahead and draw another line over here, because there will be one more oddball this week, just to give you a little bit of a hint, a little heads up. Okay, students, you're off and going. If you have any questions, go ahead and remember, you can pause the video, you can go rewind it, or skip back a little bit and listen to anything that Mr. Powell has said. Alright, so if you don't understand homophones, you can skip back and I'll have explained that to you. So anyway, go ahead and finish the rest of the sort, and I'll see you in a sec. Hopefully you have finished your word sort, and you've written all the words under the exemplars. And remember, students, that it's important to keep track of your word chips, so make sure you put them back in your Ziploc bag for safekeeping so you can practice some more throughout the week. That's important. Alright. Okay, students, well, Mr. Powell will be expecting to see your work throughout the week, so make sure it gets done and you are prepared. Remember, this is to make us not only better spellers, but readers and writers as well. So, we're proud of you. Keep up the good work, and I will see you soon. See ya.